last week, a mate of mine messaged me on Facebook asking me how I set my 12 volt system up in the truck. Well, I thought that's a good question. I sent him a few photos, did some little bit of explaining on how to do it. I'm no expert at it. My system's not perfect, I know that, but thought what a wonderful idea to make a video on. I've done a video on the 12 volt system in the camper trailer. Now I'll show you what's in the truck. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Alrighty, this is where she starts. Got this big sucker right here. Got this big sucker right here. It's joined onto this. I've got a 140 amp fuse. Hang on, I'll give you a better look at that. It's a 140 amp fuse. Just a blade, big long, like a MIDI blade fuse. Now, if you follow this red cable, I should probably have this in a protector, in a protective case. But anyway, follow this red cable around. Goes through the battery isolator, which you can see the red lights on. I've just been for a trip, and this cuts out at 12.8 volts. It'll switch off between the batteries, so the auxiliary battery isn't drawing any power from the starter battery while the engine's not running. So we follow this cable, the big red cable around, goes through here, past my compressor, and joins up with my auxiliary battery, which is a 105 amp hour. You can see that there. Hang on, we'll turn that around. 105 amp hour. This is a supercharge all-rounder battery, so you can actually use this as a cranking battery too if you want. Fairly simple hookup between this battery and that battery. All it is just the one wire, and then you've got your earth cable running off there. And I've just found it was actually a good spot next to the alternator in under here. You can just see the cable running through there. So from here I've got a few wires running off. I made this little bus board. Now the main one is this one here at the back. It's fused, it goes back down along the chassis rail and heads up to the back of the truck, which I'll show you in a second. Now all these, I cannot remember where they go. I know there's one goes, maybe two of them power USB ports inside the car. Another one powers, that's right, one of these goes to a relay which powers the reverse light, the work light that I've got on the back of the truck. Couldn't tell you which one, to be honest. Righto, now let's go and have a look down in the back of the truck. Like I say, it's a fairly simple setup. Runs to a voltmeter here, so I can see what what the battery's doing at any time. You can switch between volts and watts. I'm not exactly sure. I'm no expert as watts. Volts. There's actually a timer there too. You can time how long it's been on for some reason. Don't know. But anyway, that's the only thing I look at. This cable here, it's the one that comes from the battery. And then I've just got a couple of fuses. There's one cable that goes down the back here to USB. Now I don't use that for my camper trailer. I'm going to put another one here for the camper trailer that runs straight off the start battery. And also got this cable here, runs up here, a couple of Anderson plugs here for the fridge, and also my Travel Buddy oven. That's about it. Oh, and I've got another cable runs to that, which powers my LED lights, which is pretty hard to see during the day. That's pretty much it. Rightio, basically that's it. It's a fairly basic system with a bit of research. Anyone can set something like that up. This module here, plus the cable I bought on eBay for probably about $80. And these batteries, that says 259 there, I think I paid about $180 for it. Bit of a bargain if you ask me. But, yeah, that's a system. That's my basic system anyway. If you like any of my videos, please give me the thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost a bloody thing. So see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.